Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study dental anatomy. We'll start by understanding the fundamental components of teeth and their supporting structures. Then, we'll delve into the specific terminology and numbering systems essential for dental professionals. You'll learn to identify distinct features on various tooth types, which is crucial for clinical practice. Finally, I'll share some proven study techniques to help you retain this complex information effectively and confidently. To master dental anatomy, start with the foundational knowledge of tooth morphology. Every tooth has a crown and a root, containing a pulp chamber and root canals. It is vital to understand the four primary tissues: the hard enamel, dentin, and cementum, plus the soft pulp. Also, remember the 5 distinct surfaces of each tooth: the facial, lingual, mesial, distal, and either occlusal for posterior teeth or incisal for anterior teeth. This forms your essential base. Once you grasp the basics, move on to identifying individual teeth. Systematically study each of the 4 main types: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Pay close attention to their unique features, such as the number of cusps, the arrangement of ridges, and the presence of specific grooves or fossae. Hands-on learning with dental models or extracted teeth is incredibly beneficial. Additionally, regularly drawing and labeling diagrams will significantly reinforce your understanding and recall. To ensure long-term retention, employ effective study strategies. Create flashcards for memorizing the numerous key terms and definitions. Forming study groups can be highly beneficial, allowing you to discuss complex concepts and quiz one another. Consistent, regular review is crucial to prevent forgetting important details over time. Finally, always try to connect your anatomical knowledge to real-world clinical applications. This will deepen your understanding and make the information more relevant and memorable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.